Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, healthy home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for your continued supports through the years. And to those who are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I prepare a recipe that is easy, healthy, and can be done in 15 minutes. This is stir-fry Shimeji mushrooms. Write in the comment the country where you are watching my video. To begin, we need 200 grams of Shimeji mushrooms. Cut the roots and separate individually. Don't forget to put like, follow, subscribes, and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. After cutting all the Shimeji mushrooms, put them in the bowl and wash with salt and water. Have some few slices from a cabbage. By the way, this recipe is good for one serving. If you need to serve more, then adjust the recipe. All the video recipe in my channel and in my page are all made easy for everyone. Write in the comment your views. Take a half from a medium-sized bell pepper, then cut into cubes. In my channel and in my page, there are a lot of video recipe about mushrooms. You can check the playlist to have more idea on how to cook mushrooms. And if you have any wish recipe to make, just write in the comment. I will try my very best to do them on my next video. Your feedback helps us grow. Write your views in the comment. All the ingredients are prepared. Let's do the seasoning. In a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of chili powder, vegetable flavor, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, and 1/4 cup of water. Then mix well. In a pan, pour the liquid seasoning. Turn on the heat, of course, then wait until it boiled. Then add the Shimeji mushrooms. Mix the mushrooms with the seasoning, then cover it for about 2 minutes. You can notice that the water or sauce become more than it because of the mushrooms, then brings out water when they cooked. Now uncover and add the vegetables. By this time, you can turn off the heat and they are ready to eat. A 5 minutes cooking. A mushrooms recipe with a crunchy texture and nutty, savory flavor. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.